this week at Carlist, we are going to install an RFID tag and do some torturing. Not me, Jim will be doing the torturing because he's good at it, but I will be installing this on this car. So we're going to do it properly. We've got some degreaser cloth and we're going to install it, and then Jim's going to torture it later, so stay tuned. So this headlight, well this car in particular, hasn't had a car wash in like 4 or 5 months, so we gotta make sure this surface is clean, so degreaser, right? So let's go. Oh look, the hazing's gone too. No, I'm just kidding.
Wow, it's so clean.
So fresh, it's so clean. All right. So is it clean? Let's do the squeak test.
Is it squeaky?
No squeaky, but it is clean. It's clean enough. All right, so yes, I can feel some drag. Okay, let's. So all right, let's open up the pack. Brakes on removal. So you've got a safety strip here to show that it's not been opened before. Oh, quite a safety feature. Okay, here we go. So there you go. That is the RFID that everyone loves. And let's peel it and install it. Carefully peel it because it's a one-time job. You can't open it again. Let's just see. Okay. Okay, once you're happy with your cleaning and the positioning of your RFID tag, it's time to install it. Nervous time. Okay, once you stuck it on, make sure you don't throw this away because you'll need it to register your RFID tag through the Touch and Go app. After you've installed this, you just got to activate it online and put some credit inside. But to give it the best fighting chance of surviving the torture test, we're going to leave it for 48 hours so that it bonds with the headlight correctly.
3 weeks later.
Alright, so this is the first time this car will go through an RFID gate, and we put it on like 3 weeks ago, so, and I've parked this car outside, so in 3 weeks it's been baking, the RFID tag's been baking onto the headlamp, so let's give it a shot. So this is the first time it's going to go through the RFID toll gate. So you know, I've currently got RFID anxiety because sometimes it doesn't work, right? So this is the first time, so let's give it a shot, huh? Let's see. Okay, it's my own installation, so let's see, does it work? Oh yeah, it works. Excellent. Okay, so now that we've established that it works, because I did it myself, let's go torture it. I mean, we were supposed to get Jim to torture test the RFID tag, but Jim's busy right now torturing other cars, so let's just go to a car wash and speak to them and ask them to really torture the RFID tag and wash this car too. So right now we're at the car wash. I've asked them to be extra hard on the RFID tag, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so we're just fresh off the car wash lot, and here we go. We're gonna test it. Let's see how it goes. Please work. I don't want to be one of those people that is holding up traffic because of RFID. All right, here we go. Come on, RFID. Oh no, okay, wait, let me see. Give it some space. Oh, all right. So yeah, it works. So yeah, we've just taken a car wash, and you know, we've asked the car wash people to give it a bit more into the washing of the RFID tag, and it still works. So yeah, the RFID is quite solid. But I guess what's important is the placement of the RFID tag, and you know, whether you've applied it properly, and you know, these are to be considered when installing RFID tag, and it should just work fine, as we've just proven. Alright, till next time, thank you, see you again.